So just a few days before we were discussing about AMD's brand new Ryzen 5000 series CPUs, right? And today AMD has sent us a mystery package at my place. Now, how do I know this is from AMD? Well, basically guys, this box had like a huge AMD sticker on the other side, and I had to remove that because I had my shipping address and all that details in the box, and I can't show that in the video. So that is basically how I know this is from AMD. So getting a mystery package from the brand just after the announcement of their brand new CPUs and GPUs, well, that is why I'm assuming this is that stuff only. But again, it could also be their brand new Radeon 6000 series GPU also. We never know, right, what's inside the package unless we open it and see. I am really hoping that these are the brand new Ryzen 5000 series CPUs because I am like waiting very eagerly to get my hands on them. You guys also like let me know what do you guess is inside the package. Let's see if you could get in right. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Alright guys, so AMD's new mystery box came in this sort of box packaging. There is nothing much written on it, so without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Let me just cut this seal on the box and show you what's inside this package. Here we go. Okay. Oh, is this what I think it is? Oh my god, guys! AMD has sent us their brand new 5000 series Ryzen CPUs. Holy moly, I totally did not expect to get my hands on these so soon. Let me just take them out of this bubble wrap. Oh shit, my excitement is out of the roof today. So, out of all the Ryzen 5000 series they've announced during the launch, AMD has sent us their most powerful CPUs, the Ryzen 9 series. The packaging is completely different this time. One is a Ryzen 9 5900X, while the other one is the king of all Ryzen CPUs, the Ryzen 9 5950X. And from my first impressions, I have to tell you, the boxes have a very slim profile this time, so let's have a look at them one by one. As you can see, it says not for resale on the box because this is basically a review unit sent by the brand. I am super excited right now because I'm probably the first in India to get my hands on these CPUs and giving you all an exclusive sneak peek in this video. Usually AMD sends out a compatible motherboard as well for testing out these CPUs. Anyways, I have also ordered an exclusive motherboard that was launched alongside the Ryzen 5000 CPUs. It's already on the way guys, we'll be getting that pretty soon. So finally, here it is, my brand new Ryzen 9 5900X. Initial impressions, I can definitely see a bit of changes in the box packaging. During the launch, AMD said that they won't be including their stock coolers in the package this time. I guess that is why the box is so slim and lightweight. I'll confirm once I open it and show you. Based on the brand new Zen 3 architecture, these new Ryzen 5000 series CPUs come with some major performance and functionality improvements on the inside. Alright, let me just tear this seal on the box and show you what's inside the package. Here we go. So as I told you before, forget about getting stock coolers with the new Ryzen CPUs, you will have to buy them separately. What AMD believes is people who buy such expensive high-end CPUs will surely go for an equal level cooling solution now. So that was the idea behind this decision. So here's the CPU, the Ryzen 9 5900X. 5900X is a 12-core 24-thread beast CPU with a base clock frequency of 3.7 GHz and a max boost clock frequency of 4.8 GHz. It's still based on a 7nm process, but it's based on a brand new Zen 3 architecture with crazy level of performance improvements and having the same TDP of around like 105 watts. Now let's also check out the other CPU. This is something next level guys, the king of all Ryzen CPUs, the Ryzen 9 5950X. This was a CPU I was really looking forward to. It's literally a monster CPU that completely blows out the competition. Packing looks just like the other variant, slim and lightweight and no stock cooler in the box. Let me just cut this seal and take the CPU out. So guys, if you know, a couple of weeks ago some benchmarks were leaked regarding this Ryzen 9 CPU where we got to know that this 16 core monster reached over 5 GHz clock frequency with PBO enabled. This is the first time Ryzen CPUs ever reached that high clock frequencies, but again that was just a rumored benchmark. Now that I have the CPUs in my hand, I'll be personally testing them and sharing you all the benchmark results. So here you go, the Ryzen 9 5950X. It's a 16 core 32 thread monster with a base clock frequency of 3.4 GHz and a max boost clock frequency of around 4.9 GHz. Well, these were the stuff AMD has sent us today in this mystery package. I definitely had a hunch that these might be their brand new 5000 CPUs only, but did not expect to see that we'll be getting their top of the line flagship Ryzen 9 CPUs in the package. Now that we finally got our hands on the brand new Ryzen 5000 series Ryzen 9 5900X and 5950X, I'll be putting them to a lot of tests and see how they perform in the real world. So guys, I'll be sharing my reviews on them, benchmarks, gameplays and everything very soon on the channel. So stay tuned for that. So I'll also be building some PC also, like the world's most powerful PC using these Ryzen 9 5950 and 5900X guys, and I'll be pairing them with the RTX 3070 and 3080 respectively, and we'll be making some amazing PC builds very soon on the channel. And we also have yet to receive the other Ryzen CPUs, the Ryzen 5 and Ryzen 7. I'm also quite excited to see get my hands on them as well. And also after that we have the Radeon 6000 series GPU also yet to arrive. A lot of exciting content coming up on the channel guys. And apart from this, if you want me to do anything else with these CPUs, just let me know in the comment section down below. And along with this guys, I'm also planning for a special comparison video between the Ryzen 9 5900X and the Intel's i9 10900K guys. I want to put them neck to neck and see which one performs the best in real world performance testing and all that stuff guys. It will be like very exciting. Stay tuned for that. If you all enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.